with the characteristics of faster charging, high efficiency, long service life, low temperature resistant, and environment friendly. The truck is suitable for multiple working shift and high-strength application in industries such as material handling, warehouse and logistics, and so on. Environment friendly. Zero emission, low noise. Lithium battery has no acid fog volatilization. High efficiency and energy saving. Charging efficiency is up to 95% and energy conversion efficiency is higher. Maintenance free. The lithium battery adopts a fully enclosed structure. It is dust-proof and it is free from liquid adding and daily maintenance. Long service life. The battery could repeat 4,000 circles while keeping the capacity of 70% in normal charge-discharge condition. Low temperature resistance. Lithium batteries have better performance than lead-acid batteries in the low-temperature working environment from -40 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. Faster charging. The battery can be fully charged within 2 to 2.5 hours under faster charging mode. Opportunity charging does not affect battery life. Charging lock confirmation prevents hot plugging. The truck has emergency power off function. Superior long quality guarantee. The battery has long service life. The quality guarantee for battery is 5 years or 10,000 hours, whichever comes first.